Unboxing a Googan Squad mystery box. The Slim Snake Worm. The Love Grub. Watermelon Red. June Bug Blazing Worm. .4-inch Saucy Swimmer. Dub Grub. Another Love Grub. Lunker Log. Sprayed lettuce. Saucy Swimmer. Saucy Swimmer. Crack and Crawl Jr. For EWG. A 3.3-inch Saucy Swimmer. .5/0 hammer hooks. Now these work great with this is the Googan Toad. It's a micro filthy frog. This is a great bait for snakeheads in South Jersey, Delaware, Maryland. Some more Love Grub. And the Lunker Log Watermelon Red, great color.